Seimon Thomas, Drysgol Goch Farm in Llwyndrain, Llanfynach in North Pembrokeshire. The farm is mainly dairy and we have dairy short-horn cows. We've got two different systems in that we calve cows twice a year in the autumn and spring, and it'd be interesting to see whether the omega-3 levels are higher in one block or the other. And the cows really are all the same genetics and split into two blocks, but they are fed. One's fed mainly grass and some concentrates in the parlour, and the other's on forage as well, grass silage in the winter and cake as well in the parlour. Well, it involves really filling forms in at the beginning of the year to record the size of the cow, the breed, and then the rations that goes into the cow, and sampling then of the products that goes into the cow, the concentrates and the grass in the summer and spring, and also the silage in the winter. Our milk is marketed at the moment through Freshways, a liquid-based company in London. They supply Costa Coffee and corner shops with liquid milk. And at the moment our milk is taken every day to London and bottled. And going forward, probably with the results from the omega-3, we could approach maybe a supermarket. If there's one or both systems on our farm are higher in omega-3 than the average, then it's something we could market our milk and add value to the milk.
My name is Hannah and I work here on the family farm at Drysgol Goch.
My name is Emily and I work for Landscape Business Solutions, and we're the innovation broker of the EIP project.
Okay, so basically once a month we go out and take grass samples and then freeze it overnight. Then we take next morning's milking, because the cows have been grazing there the night before, and we also take concentrates samples as well. And we send them all to Emily, and Emily does all the admin work for that then.
As the innovation broker, we were approached by the farmers to set up the EIP project. We then filled in an expression of interest and then a stage 2 application, which are quite lengthy processes, and took out all the administration for the farmers. We also liaised with the expert at IBERS who are carrying out the milk testing. My name's John. I work here at IBERS, which is part of Aberystwyth University. My role in this project is to analyse the milk samples for their fatty acids, so that we can look at the amount of omega-3s found as a ratio of the total fatty acids. In order to do this, we use a fairly straightforward transesterification of the mainly glycerol esters that exist in milk fat naturally, and convert them into fatty acid methyl esters. The resulting chromatogram of fatty acid peats can be quantified, thereby allowing us to ratio the omega-3 fatty acids against the total fat found in the sample.
Well, it's really important that we do participate in projects like this to see if there are benefits for the feeding and the different strategies we undertake as farmers to get something like levels of omega-3 up, because they do say it benefits heart and the brain. So yeah, it is a good way of seeing what we can find.
With these times in agriculture, we need to add value to our products all the time, and with marketing health issues like omega-3 and how good it is for the diet, it's all a win-win situation really, where we can add value to our product we sell on the farm.
My name's Tom Harris, farm with my family at Prosiect in Aberystwyth, North Pembrokeshire. We're an organic dairy farm. We've been organic for 20 years, and on this unit we currently milk 350 autumn calving, predominantly Holstein Friesian milking cows. In the last 10 years we've diversified into selling our own milk under the brand Ionawr, which we sell both in the UK and abroad. We believe that Welsh milk, organic milk, grass-fed milk has benefits in many ways to the consumer, and there's information been out there to show that omega-3 levels are higher in organic milk, and I think this type of study would hopefully put more meat on the bone to show that this is the case. We have so much in Wales in terms of the environment and our milk production and farming in general, and I think anything that can show the consumer that our product is better and has maybe a unique selling point is of benefit to all of us, really.